Cloud presents an architecture that we have, as we talked about earlier on, about moving from mainframes to PCs, and now we're moving sort of back to a mainframe model environment using blade servers, if you will. So the architecture is not the same architecture that we use today in our certification accreditation process. So it's just a different process. It's a different end state. It is reliant upon processes that aren't quite there yet. So you use the word trust, and trust is one of those building blocks. But at the end of the day, you do have to look at the extent of the cloud, where the information is. I think cloud makes us examine security at the data level, where before we were pretty much at the network and the hardware level is where we tried to keep. We work on defense in depth in the DoD, and so there's lots of layers here. But probably the place where we are not as robust is at the data level. Cloud works if the data is accessible ubiquitously. But we know we need a robust identity management solution. We need privilege management embedded in these processes. We need to be able to certify them so that Mike can see only the data that Mike can see, Rob can see only the data Rob can see, and no more, no less. And the cloud enables that, but we don't have processes and things in place that we can vet and validate right now.
Yeah.